Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a couple days ago, and I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, actually I made some different image the other day, and today I'm going to use Procreate to make something interesting image from these two images. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image, then change blend mode to check out some interesting image. Impressive image. I like this luminosity image. Nice graphic design of the leaf and broken glasses. Well, glass has little cracked things inside. Well, I'm gonna fix this image first. Make a group, then duplicate this group, then flatten this image. Now I got this image. Okay. And let me turn it off, this image now, and I'm gonna add one layer for add color. Change blend mode to color first, then I'm gonna add color with brush, has no texture, just color. So airbrushing to medium airbrush. Well, very interesting to see, maybe live leaf, like greenish. I'm gonna smudge this to blend in. Smudge brush is also soft blend of the airbrush. Soft blend, huh? Yeah, it'll blend in pretty nice. Pretty interesting. Alright, now I'm going to add some bluer color on shadow side. Then I'm going to add some, well, a little bit orangerish. Let's see, soft blend. More soft touch. Yeah, I think pretty interesting. Let's see. Now I got the pretty dark colors on this color layer, but it shows real shadow colors. Now let me see. Okay, I'm gonna bring this. Well, rename first. This is luminosity effect layer. Alright, now I'm gonna move this luminosity effect layer over color layer. We are looking at this luminosity effect layer image is this group image. So this is the one. Now let me turn it on, this luminosity effect layer with the same image. But I'm going to change blend mode on this luminosity effect layer. Let me see. Luminosity, linear burn shows more dark colors. Okay, I just want to compare different color. Alright, this is color layer 1. Okay, right. Okay, I'm gonna add one more color layer. Then change blend mode to color. Then I'm gonna add, this time I want to go more orangeish. I would say more brownish. So emphasize this dead leaf, more warm color, reddish, brown, and the contrast with background, bluer color. Let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna add, this is warm, reddish brown. Okay, now I'm gonna add to sort of complementary color, which is more cyan blue background. Well, especially this glass and shadow. Now I'm gonna smudge to blend in. Let's see, just change blend mode normal. So easy to see the smudge. Now use the eraser tool. Okay, now back to color. Won't show much, huh? Then I'm going to turn on this luminosity effect layer image. Go a little bit darker, but not much compared to well, this is a little bit interesting than this first one. Let me change this name. Alright, let me see. Linear Burn Max. Base is original image. Touch kind of effective, huh? Let me touch up this layer. Now, well, let me see. Change this blend mode to normal. Then fix some these colors. Blend real nicely. Okay, change back to color. Now a little bit more softer. Well, just touch up some smudge. Okay, now let me see. A little bit effective, but too much colors. Not shadow image. Yeah, let me think about it. This one. Kind of too much colors though. Well, compared to color 1, this is color 2. Orangeish and bluish. Max. Well, either way, some too much dark colors. maybe because of this luminosity effect layer, linear burn. This goes real dark. It's not that effective. It's not that impressive. Just add color over normal image. This is same thing. This is much better, I think. Not too dark. 30% color. Then this is linear burn. Okay. How about? Alright, I'm gonna use this touch emphasize color. Leave this color layer 50% instead of this color layer, first one. I'm gonna delete this one. Well, move this pencil drawing type image. Move out of this group and go all the way top. Then let's see. Turn on this blend mode is divide. Turn it on. Just lighten up this glass edge. Max. Now I'm gonna make mask. Then I'm gonna hide this edge of the leaf with the medium brush. Yeah, mask is just mask this leaves white image, but I want effect of the edge of the glass. Okay, then this is overall image effect, only 50%. Alright, now I'm gonna move this original image, get out of this group, then just delete this group. Now we got 5 layers. Just emphasize some colors, just touch 50%. Then color burn effect, divide effect. Okay, let me add one more layer, then add color. Change to color and choose soft brush. Now add yellow. Add some colors. Well, I guess that's it. This is a shadow color I just add, and take out these colors, luminosity effect layer, divide effect layer on pencil drawing type image. Now this is original image now. Yep. Okay. This is original image. I made luminosity effect layer change to color burn 80% over this original image. Then I add color to emphasize some bluer on glass and orange-ish on leaf. This much effect. Then I add pencil drawing type image. Divide effect shows a little bit contrast on glass. White lighten up effect with mask. and just mask this leaf. Then after that, I just add real subtle colors, maybe a little bit too much, so tone down just a touch, 80% or so now. Yep, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. I don't know, one of the graphic design, photograph, image. Well, thank you again. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Let's be creative. I kind of like this tone here. Yeah. Thank you.